Do you need to change your delivery address on H&M app before your order ships? In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to update your delivery address on H&M app. So let's go to know how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to H&M app, as you see here. Then you will wait a moment until they appeared for you this page here. So you will tap on the sign of profile. You will click on profile. Here in this window you will find settings, so you will click on settings. After that, here on settings, as you see, you will find something called here add new address, so you will tap on add a new address, and then here as you see you will find add delivery address, so you will click on delivery address, and then you can fill this information here: first name, last name, address, line 2, town or city, postal code, province, and also when you end all of this informations you will click on save. When you click on save, then you can be able to add a new address or delivery address on the application of H&M easily. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to smash the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.